Welcome back, everyone, and today we'll be making enchilada chicken in the pressure cooker. As you can see here, I have my spices laid out. I have smoked paprika, fajita seasoning, black pepper, onion powder, garlic powder. I'll be using red enchilada sauce, these chipotle peppers, and green chopped peppers in the can, but you can always use fresh. I'll start with my onions and some garlic, and I'm going to saute it in the pressure cooker, and everything we do is all going to be in one pot, and I have it on saute mode. You can add a little oil or butter. As our onions are sauteing, I added in one chopped romaine tomato to the mixture, and I'm just going to get that all incorporated. Next, I have a bag of chicken breast, which I've just pre-seasoned with the mixtures I showed you earlier, and again seasoned to your taste buds and what you will like. Once your chicken's been seasoned, you just want to add it into the mixture, into the pressure cooker. Your pressure cooker is still on the saute mode at this point. Next, we're going to be adding our canned ingredients. I'm starting with the whole can of the green peppers. If you're not a spicy person, you may want to adjust this or just leave it out altogether, because I will say it was spicy. Next, we're going to add our whole can of red enchilada sauce. Once you've added this, just let it heat up in the pot and you'll see it'll start to boil. And then next, I added the whole can of chipotle peppers. I will definitely say next time I will cut this in half, because this is what made the chicken extra spicy. But if you're down for spice, by all means do it exactly this way. Once you have everything in your pressure cooker, just stir it around to combine it. Then add the lid, lock it in place. Make sure the valve's set to pressure so it will cook and your pressure cooker will seal. We're going to turn the pressure cooker off of saute mode and onto high pressure and set the timer. I'm setting the pressure cooker for 30 minutes and I'll be back when it's done. Alright, our 30 minutes is up, so now it's time to release the pressure, take off the lid, and let's see what we have. And just like magic, we have enchilada chicken. Excuse all the steam, but you can see our chicken has cooked all the way through. Now I'm just going to leave the pressure cooker on saute mode, and I'm going to shred the chicken right inside of the pressure cooker. It's super tender. It's not going to take a lot of effort. And as you shred your chicken, the extra liquid that's in the pressure cooker will absorb into the chicken, and you can use this chicken for enchiladas, for tacos, burritos, but I'm going to eat mine over cauliflower rice, and I'm going to top it with some cheese and some sour cream, maybe a little onions, depending on how I'm feeling. And this will be meal prepped for the week. I hope you enjoyed watching, and see you next time.